Hello ladies and gentlemen, how are y'all today? Me and P here on a trip back to the mill today. We're gonna go pick up a truck, 65, 66 Chevy pickup right quick, and re-walk the mill and everything, see if he's got anything new. Here we go. Okay, so we made it. We're at the mill. Go inside and talk to the man right quick. Truck's in the back. We made it back. So I guess he's just gonna grab it, but we need to look at it right quick, make sure this thing ain't all rusted. Short bed step side. That door's all messed up. Cab looks okay. Fender looks okay. Well, I got a winch on my trailer. We just get it up there and I should be able to winch it on. Yeah, not really. Just mainly worried about the cab. It looks pretty good. Cab looks pretty good. A little bit of hole right there in the floor. Let's see. Okay, here we are. There's the door. Fenders. Looks pretty good under here. That fender's okay. See, this door is jacked up at the bottom. Cab corner's decent. Floors are pretty decent in here. The dash, bed. This side of the bed's no good though. I think, yeah.
Was it rolling?
Right there. That door. So neither door is really any good. Yeah, the rockers are real nice. It's just this one little spot right here.
The big back window's kind of hard to find.
Yeah, big back window. Okay, so he decided not to get the truck. A little bit more wrong with it than we expected. Do a little quick walk around. Let's go stick it. We go walk around a little bit. I'm just gonna move it over more. I mean, $1,200 is not bad. It's just, there's a lot wrong with it. So the truck was a bust. Yeah, there's too much wrong with it. So we're gonna go look at some other trucks right quick. I mean, you got a nice 56 short bed step side. It's not a bad truck at all, really. That tree's growing through the back.
This the one you said he wanted in the shed?
No, this boy's got a motor in it. Dang. I need to ask him how much for this. Look at this short bed, square body. It was burnt in the front though. Really cool Ford truck over here too, I remember. This one right here. It's long bed, fleet side. More square bodies. And then that old 50s Ford. And this other Ford over here. And the first video we came here to the mill. Did a more extensive walk around, of course. It's not quite as hot today. This is a cool one right here. It'd probably be a builder. I like it. Still got the tailgate on it. Somebody shot it all up. Got bullet holes everywhere. Just newer stuff. We got another Chevy. Remember that truck we seen on the way here? Yeah. I said, hey, that truck, we need to stop at that truck, that yard, and ask them, hey, where you sell the truck? Okay, back around to the front. The Dodge pick-em-ups. And we were gonna look at the Chevy one. At 1932, 31. Yeah. This one right here. He said 5,500. Fender ain't no count. It's a long bed. This ain't nothing wrong with the long bed. Nice tailgate. Door is locked. Roached right here. The other one was better. Roached right there. Decent hood on it though. This is a cool Dodge. Looks like it's had some work done to it. Your Hunter Special. Or is it this one he was talking about? Short bed. Fender still got some rot in it. Stick shift. Got a good cab. Good bed. Long bed, yeah. Tailgate ain't so good. Good cab corners for the most part. She's dented up right here though. Dented, dented, dented. You know how we like square body Chevys. It's a nice truck, just needs a new hood. You can find those anywhere. That'd be a good truck right there. Yeah. And this is the one he said it was for sale. The Jimmy up front. I think he said 5,500. Runs and drives. It's got that Rhino liner, black primer. Of course, that Elky. And you got this Chevy two-door wagon. A couple of four doors. And that one's a four-door wagon. Be a really cool car to rat rod it, you know. You rat rod either one of these too. It's a four-door. No post car. But this one is a post car. See, that one's got the windows that roll up together. Another Chevy pickup. The other one's in way better shape than this one. We both liked this one last time, I remember. This would be a nice car to restore. This is that cool Riviera body style. Was that Jason Statham movie? He was driving that. And you got this 55 four-door. She's seen better days, definitely. She's got a lot of rot going on everywhere. Boy, that Riviera is nice though. It's cool. It's got all those vents, the louvers. Bel Air right here. The old Jeepers Creepers. Well, that's what's up front here at the mill. There's a few things in the back, but we'll go check out what's still on the other side. Yeah, he said it's a real one, not a clone. 455 car. It says clone on it, but he said somebody painted that on there. Maybe it is a clone. You know how people are. Bel Air's still here. It's a nice 56 right here. You got the Chevy pickups still sitting here. You got Towmater. The monster truck I think we should buy. We have a lot of fun with it. We can go tear some stuff up in that one. 56. That Cadillac DeVille. Man, it's getting hot, so I guess we're about to head off. He decided not to get the truck. So there's another spot down the road we're gonna go check out right quick. So here's the one that I seen driving off the side of the road. We'll go see if it's for sale. House looks pretty dilapidated. I don't think anybody lives here. There is an RV camper though. A couple of them. And look, there's another one.